So I'll jump right in. We took the advice from the earlier presentations that we will show rather than telling. So we are directly into the prototype, what we hacked over the weekend. So what we're trying to get here or solve a problem here. What's happening in our society is the change is pretty rapid. It doesn't mean that in terms of education and the resources available, it's not catching up. It's catching up, but it's in multiple places and it's segregated. For anyone in this industry to catch up with what's happening out there, there's no common way or suggestions based on who you are, giving a personalized experience on what you should be learning and what you should be taking forward. So what we built Learning Kaki. It's your learning buddy. What will it do? It will help you to take charge of your learning, right? Let's see how it works. So say if you're interested in information architecture, it's a topic of your curiosity. What you see here is actually trends data of what's happening around this topic, along with the sentiment analysis of people in Singapore. You move down, there's a high visualization of people actually interested in that topic, along with the books, the library data, or the content that's available out there. You can see the virtual meetups that are actually happening in Singapore around that topic. You can also see WDA courses or any government bodies courses, as well as professional organization courses. It could be JFDA as well, if they're looking for startups. So once you go down, it recommends books taking data from NLB, as well as mashing it up with social recommendations as well. You see the activity that's happening out there in the social media. You are not alone. There are a lot of people discussing about that topic, so what's happening around that. Along with that, for you to quickly get started with the social part, you can actually see the content that's actually coming from SlideShare, LinkedIn groups, as well as it could be online courses as well. Coursera, Udemy, whatever, right? We curate which content goes in. So you are excited? So let's get started with the app. So what you're going to do is you already have your learning history as well as browsing history all over on the web. So you can pull in all that data along with your social stuff. What we'll do is actually suggest topics based on that. You can either choose those topics or add on to the topics to it. Once you go into the app, we actually do all the analysis in the background and give you the content that you should be reading based on the topics you are interested in. It could be books, it could be courses, or it could be any other content that's happening or in that area. If you are interested in the book, you can get to details of the book. You can borrow it from NLB, connecting with that, or you can buy it from the Amazon if you really want to buy it. Along with that, it helps you to understand about the content, gives you the trend data along with the sentiment analysis. Again, the whole social aspect, including the all courses, whatever we've seen for the topic, comes into picture. If you go up, okay. You can keep track of all your topics using My Topics. You can get in there, and you can manage your topics or get into topic to know everything that's happening in that topic. So what we want to help you is to build a learning interface where you can become good and come up with these ideas more often.